Here's what rain looks like on all 9 planets. What does rain look like on other planets? Earth's got water rain. But on other planets? It's wild. Mercury? No air, no clouds, no rain. Just heat. Venus, sulfuric acid rain. Venus rains acid, but it evaporates before hitting the ground. Earth, water rain. You know this one, classic H2O falling from clouds. Mars, dry ice snow. Mars has snow, made of carbon dioxide. Jupiter, helium rain. On Jupiter, helium rains down like glitter through gas. Saturn, diamond rain. Saturn's pressure turns carbon into diamonds, yes, diamond rain. Uranus, liquid methane rain. Uranus might rain liquid methane. Cold. Toxic. Blue. Neptune, diamond hail. Neptune also rains diamonds, deep in its atmosphere. Like if Earth suddenly seems pretty chill cloud with rain. Find and comment which planet I missed to tell. And comment below. What it rains? What a grand creation! See you in next interesting topic.